Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not downloading on your Mac. First, let's cover some basic troubleshooting steps. Always begin by checking your internet connection to ensure it's stable. A weak signal can prevent downloads. Next, a simple restart of your Mac can often resolve minor software conflicts or temporary issues. Finally, it's a good idea to quickly check the Roblox server status online to confirm there are no widespread service interruptions affecting downloads. Now, let's dive into your Mac's security settings, which are often the culprit. Open System Settings, then navigate to Privacy and Security. Make sure your Mac allows apps from App Store and identified developers to run. You might also need to grant specific file access permissions to Roblox. Sometimes, your firewall can interfere, so try temporarily disabling it to see if that resolves the download issue. If the previous steps haven't worked, a fresh start might be necessary. First, completely uninstall any existing Roblox files from your Mac to ensure a clean slate. Next, your web browser can sometimes cause problems, so clear its cache and cookies thoroughly. If the issue persists, try downloading the Roblox installer using an entirely different web browser, such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, to rule out browser-specific conflicts. For more persistent issues, consider these advanced tips. Ensure your Mac OS is fully updated to its latest version, as outdated software can cause compatibility problems. Sometimes, user profile corruption can be the cause, so try creating a new user account on your Mac and attempting the download from there. If you've tried all these solutions and Roblox still won't download, your best next step is to reach out to Roblox support directly for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.